Hey lawn lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi. We talk grass, dirt, and all the stuff your neighbors wish they knew about. Today we're diving into a juicy topic: spring seeding for cool season grasses. Now you might be thinking, spring's here, birds are chirping, let's throw down some seed. Well, hold your spreader. Let's talk about whether that's actually a good idea. First up, what are cool season grasses? These are your Kentucky bluegrass, fescues, and ryegrass. They love that crisp early spring and fall air. And when the conditions are just right, they'll reward you with a lawn so lush, your neighbors might accidentally walk their dogs on it just to see how it feels. Timing is everything for spring seeding. Air and soil temperatures matter. When it comes to spring seeding, don't just look at the air temperatures. Check your soil too. You want the soil temperatures to be at least 50 to 55 degrees at a depth of 2 to 3 inches. That's the magic range where most cool season seeds start waking up and saying, it's go time. Plus, spring weather is like your unpredictable friend. Fun, but flaky. One minute it's raining for days, the next your soil is drier than your group chat. Cool season grasses need consistent moisture to germinate and thrive, and that spring flip-flop can really mess with your success. But wait, spring seeding sounds great, right? It does, but here's the catch. It's not always the best move. Spring brings a tight window before the weeds come in hot and heavy, and unfortunately, they show up to the party early and hungry. Despite the risks, there are totally valid reasons to seed in the spring, and here are a couple. You missed your fall window. Hey, life happens. If you skipped fall seeding, spring might be your last chance to get something growing before the summer heat cranks up. Patching damaged spots. Bare patches from dogs, kids, or driveway basketball showdowns. Spring's a solid time to fix those trouble zones. Use a cheap soil thermometer or one of those fancy lawn tools you definitely don't need, but buy anyway because they look cool. No judgment, we've all been there. Also keep an eye on those daytime highs. 65 to 75 degrees is your sweet spot. Okay, this is how you can make it work. Watch those soil temperatures between 50 and 55 degrees minimum. The air temperatures, consistent highs around 65 to 75 degrees. Second, test your soil. Break up any compaction, get rid of rocks or debris, and make sure water drains well. You're setting the stage here, so don't skip this. Next, choose quality seed. Go with a blend that suits your region and conditions. No bargain bin seed unless you're cool with bargain bin results. Use a broadcast spreader for even coverage. Rake lightly afterwards to get that seed to soil contact. No raking equals sad, hungry seed. Protect your investment. Instead of straw, which can sometimes bring in weeds or other unwanted guests, go with peat moss as your seed covering. It's clean, weed-free, holds moisture like a champ, and creates a cozy little microclimate that helps your seed stay in place and germinate faster. Just spread a light layer over the top, no need to smother it, just enough to keep things shaded and moist. Water like you mean it. Light and frequent is the name of the game. Keep the top layer moist but not soggy. Think a light misting, not a monsoon. Doing a lawn reset. This is a nice way of saying we're starting over. Sometimes a lawn is too far gone. Weed takeover, compaction, fungus, you name it. Spring can be a great time to wipe the slate clean and start fresh, especially if you didn't get it in the fall. Just know it's a bit more work, but it's totally doable with the right prep. I'm here to tell you, spring seeding for cool season grasses isn't always easy, but it's not off limits either. You've just got to know what you're working with and plan accordingly. If you're dealing with patchy spots, missed your fall window, or doing a full-on reset, spring can be your comeback season. Just remember, the why, when, and how all matter. Get those right and your lawn could be the talk of the block, in a good way. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop your questions or lawn reset stories in the comments. I love hearing how your lawns are doing, good, bad, or total reset mode. Until next time, happy seeding.